There was a moment where I realized there was nowhere to go, and the car was certainly gonna hit us.
We came around a corner and a woman was in our lane and she hit us head on.
So I was able to hit the brake and kind of go a little bit left, but obviously as part of that move, she kind of took the brunt of the impact.
I broke all 3 bones across my hand and a couple in my thumb as well. Dr. Carter Stunser did my hand surgery. He did a really good job. And then I've been down here in physical therapy since.
And they were also, really adamant that they get her in as quick as they can. She was starting OT 48 hours after her hand surgery, which is pretty insane. But they really were like, we know there's a lot of work to be done and it needs to be done. And we want to start as soon as we can to get you back, as quick as we can.
Yeah.
So they have really gone above and beyond in a lot of different ways, either with extra time for each appointment or, extra care. Christian was the one who was like, you really should get your foot looked at. I think, it's maybe an issue, and, kind of pushed us to go see Dr. Arcan and get everything set up. So they've not only taken care of, Christian's here to take care of her hand, but also has been taking care of her totally, which is really great. Been very helpful.
A couple weeks after that, I finally had my foot looked at because it got damaged in the accident as well by Dr. Arcand, and she said, your foot is broken, we'll do surgery. So my foot has also had surgery, and soon I'll start physical therapy for my foot as well.
Said our 5 or 6 month old, she was 5 months old at that time, was in the car. That was clearly terrifying. Thankfully, rear-facing car seats do exactly what they're supposed to do, and she was totally fine.
Yeah, so I'm a teacher, so summer is supposed to be like my time to spend with our daughter. I was really excited. I just started to lift her again, which is really good, and change her diaper and do all the mom stuff again, so that's been really nice.
Good for both of you.
Yes.
Yeah, good for both
Yes.
of us. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I would say over the last week or so, things have started to feel like normal again. I just can do way more with my hand. It's doing really well, and despite everything that happened to it, it's like a miracle that it's doing as well as it is. And taking care of my daughter is the #1 priority, and the doctors here know that, and same with the therapists, and they've made sure that is what I'm working towards. Between the doctors and everyone down here, the staff at the front desk who schedules me, and then even just Christian working with me, he's so caring, and everyone's been so sweet and nice, and nothing was our fault, and they've been really nice about understanding and just helping us try and get back to normal. As frustrating as times have been and sad and overwhelming, I think just slow improvements here have really helped me keep some goals in mind and know that one day things will get better.